والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 4C. Odd letters with harakat. Let's start with prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge. Fatha, Kasra, and Dhamma. Make sure to make your lips round while practicing Dhamma. Remember to move your hand for thick, thick and high, and very thick and high letters while practicing, so that you won't forget their attributes. So let's start with the first letter, Ga. Repeat after me twice. Ga, Ki, Gu, Ga, Ki, Gu, Ga, Ki, Gu. And the next letter, Le. Le, Li, Lu, Le, Li, Lu, Le, Li, Lu. And the next letter, Me. Me, Mi, Mu, Me, Mi, Mu, Me, Mi, Mu. And the next letter, Nu. Ne, Ni, Nu, Ne, Ni, Nu, Ne, Ni, Nu. And the next letter, He. He, He, Hu, He, He, Hu, He, He, Hu. Just like Ayn and Ghayn, He has another form. He, He, Hu, He, He, Hu, He, He, Hu. And the next letter, Ye, Ye, Ye. Ye, Yi, Yu, Ye, Yi, Yu, Ye, Yi, Yu. And the next letter. This is a letter called Ta marbuta. Ta, Ti, Tu, Ta, Ti, Tu, Ta, Ti, Tu. And Ta marbuta also has another form. Ta, Ti, Tu, Ta, Ti, Tu. This is the next letter, Waw with baby Hamza on top of it. Baby Hamza is using Waw as its chair. E, I, U, E, I, U, E, I, U. And this is Hamza sitting on Ye. E, I, U, E, I, U, E, I, U. And the next letter. This is Hamza sitting on Ye, but in Ye's short form. E, I, U, E, I, U, E, I, U. MashaAllah, we have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.